This is actually the same lesson what we were doing yesterday. We will continue lesson number 2.6, estimate quotient. Girls, when I say estimate, so you can have different answers because everyone will round in some or the other way. Some will use the compatible numbers and some will use nearby numbers, round to 100 or 10. Okay, so now turn to page number 103. Turn to page number 103. Are you there?
Yeah.
Assalamu alaikum. How are you? At least tell good morning to your teacher.
Good. Good morning.
Yes, very sleepy.
No.
No, not really. When do you sleep? Yes, Leah?
Yesterday I slept 9.
Mm.
Yeah, I slept 9.
Okay. Give me a minute, guys. Are you all ready with page number 103? Is it open?
Yeah.
Okay. So, till which question did we do yesterday? I think we were doing this share and show. Am I correct?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, let us continue. First question we have to do on your own, right? As I told you, Lean and Wateen, listen to me carefully. This is something like called as estimate. You know estimate, right? Estimate is like you are bringing the nearby numbers. And they're saying using compatible numbers, girls. Compatible numbers, everyone can have a different answer. Like see, here I see 44 and 11. Here I see 11 and 44. So directly I can write 44 divided by 11 because I know that 44 comes in the timetable of 11. Yes, I know that, right? So we will use the easy numbers. We will use the easy numbers which will give you proper answer. Can you hear? Can you hear me? Hello?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. So let us see question number 7 here. If I say question number 7, so I can write here 44 divided by, like if you are confused in these, don't worry because I'm just taking nearby to get my answers. I got the answer as 44. Okay. Now here 8 3/4 is almost like 9 because this is not 8.5. If I ask you pour 8 3/4 glass, you will put 8 glasses and then 3/4 glass means almost to 9, right? Nearby to 9. So this is 9 and I can take this as 72. 72 divided by 9, what is it? It is 8. Do you understand what I'm trying to say here? Vatin and Lean. I am trying to take nearby numbers that actually
Yeah.
calculated. Yes. Girls, estimate questions. I will not give any of the quiz or test because everyone can have different answers with this. All right? Because estimate means it is nearby value. Did you understand what I'm trying to say?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Like example here. Here both are fractions. We don't have a whole number here. So let us solve 6 times 1. It will be 7 over 6 divided by 1 over 8. 7 over 6 times 8. 2 times 3. 2 times 28 over 3. I got 28 over 3. So it's almost like 3 times.
Miss,
Huh?
You didn't flip.
I really, well, let us see. Yeah, I flipped the idea. You did not see, I flipped. 7 over 6 times 8. Right? I flipped. I flipped. I did not write 1, but I flipped. 1 over 8, I made 8 over 1. Understood?
Yeah.
28 over 3. It's like almost nearby to, almost nearby to 9. Got it? And I think
Yeah.
it's not 7 over 6. Look at this again. If I open this, is it 7 over 6? What is it? Is it 7 over 6? What is it, girls? If it is, if I open this,
Yeah, miss. You
yes,
will multiply
correct, correct,
6
correct,
and
correct,
plus 7.
correct. Anyways, don't go with the long procedures in this lesson. Simple, we are just taking approximate 9. It's something like 9 point something, but I'll just take an approximate as 9. Okay. Now coming to this, coming to the, did you all finish it?
Yeah.
Because I need to do the next one. Okay, now let us solve this one. Okay, let me solve this one now. All right, 21 and 2. 21 divided by 2 is almost like you say 22 and 2, you will get almost like 11, right? Or if I say 21 and 3, if I say, it's like, actually this is 0.3, so it is 21 and 2 almost. 21 and 3. 21 divided by 3, almost I get 7. This one I get 7. Like if I say 35 and 35 and 4, 4 it's a 36, 36 divided, so it's like 9. Which one is greater, girls? Am I correct? You can even have, if you say not 4, 3, even if you have 3, you will have 12 here. That means anyhow this side is greater. Now here 30 divided by 5, it will be 6. And here it's like 28 divided by 7, that will be 4. 1 minute. 28 divided by 7, it's 4. Which one is greater? And here finally 56 divided by 7, I get 8. And 11 divided by 5 over 8, what should I take? Something like something point. Maybe I'll take half. What is half of 11? Almost like 6.5.
6.
7. Actually, wait. Okay, it's like 56. Okay, here. And this is year 7. I got 8, I told, huh? And this one, 11.5 is like 11 or Okay, 11 divided by, I can take 8 over 5 as, even if I take, I get 11 divided by 1. So I get the answer as 11 only. If I say 11 divided by 1, 11 divided by 1, what is the answer? It's 11, right? This is right.
Yeah.
Understood? Finish, girls? Finish?
No, wait.
Completed?
I think the dog. Go, Ma.
How do you divide fractions?
The dog and a pigeon.
Find the quotient of 4/5. Here's a problem.
Hey, Sal and I are enjoying our walk at the park this morning. Wow, do you see that tree over there? It sure is big. Park officials are going to build a tree house in its branches. They will need a pretty big ladder in order to climb up into the tree. The park manager is going to purchase a 10-foot-long board that will be used for the rungs of the ladder. Each rung will be 5/6 of a foot long. I wonder how we can find out how many rungs can be made from the 10-foot board. I know. We can find out how many rungs can be made by dividing fractions. Come on, let's give it a try.
Here's a problem for you to solve.
Okay, Toby and his dad are building a dog.
Let's unlock the problem. To solve this problem, divide 3/4 by 1/8. You can use a number line.
Toby and
Shade the number line to
building a
represent the
doghouse.
total length of the board.
They need to cut 3/4 long into 1/8. So we'll divide 3/4 divided by 1/8. Girls, here this is not estimate question. This is simple dividing fractions. And till now, I have made you perfect in dividing fractions. So this lesson I'm going to explain. I'm going to go very fast and we'll finish maybe in one day. Did you all understand? Now, who will say me what procedure did I teach you to divide? The easiest one is flip, right? The easiest
One.
yeah, the easiest method is to flip 3 over 4, 8, and 1. So what's your answer? Your answer is 6. Am I correct?
Since the board is 3/4 yard long, shade the number line from 0 to 3/4.
0 to
Then show fractional parts that represent the length of each piece of board. Each piece is 1/8 yard long. Now find the number of groups of 1/8 there are in 3/4.
groups.
There are 6 groups of 1/8 in 3/4. So there are 6 1/8 yard pieces in 3/4 yard. Another way to get 6 using 3/4 and 1/8 is by multiplying 3/4 by 8 over 1.
So I think you feel the multiplication one is easy, right? You will not do any mistake in that second method. So okay, can everyone follow this method here?
Yeah.
Try the same fraction and
Simplify the factors and then multiply to get a product of 6. So 3/4 divided by 1/8 gives the same result as 3/4 times 8/1. Winnie is working on a craft project. Let's unlock the problem. To solve this problem, divide 5/6 by
Malak, can you do this question for me? Yeah? Tell me, Malak. It's a simple one. What am I writing? I will write 5/6.
5/6 and
Divided
1
by
over
1/12. So what I'm gonna write? 5/6.
no,
Division becomes
it becomes 5 becomes
my dear. I'm talking about
this.
flip. The division becomes. Come on, Malak.
The division becomes multiplication.
And that's 1/12. What should I do? 1 over. I have
We
to put.
take it to 1 over 2. We put it down.
Tell me what should I write here?
We write 12.
12 over 1. Correct. It's like 12. 6 times 1, 6 times 12. My answer is 10. Am I correct?
Yeah.
Okay. So
Miss,
yes, Vateen.
2 multiplied by 2 is 1. Yeah.
What?
2 multiplied by 2 is 1.
Where are you talking about? And I did
Here.
times 1, 6, and 6 times 2, 12. If you want to do, see, I did the other way, Vateen. I did 6 ones are 6 times 1, 6, and 6 times 2. If you want to do with 2 timetable, you can, no problem. I will show you how. I'll show you how. I think you did with 2, right? Simplification, don't worry. See, 5/6 times 12. If you do with 2, 2 times 3 and 2 times 6. Now you have 3 and 6. 3 times 1 and 3 times 2. So 5 multiplied by 2 is 10. Did you understand?
Yeah.
Or no? Tell me, Vateen. Hello?
Yes, miss.
Abbas, you got it? You understood or no?
Yeah, I understood.
Okay. Take care. Have a nice day. I will meet you all in science class now, inshallah, in the afternoon.